our 1 cup milkshake blender. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 7.5 inches, a depth of 7.5 inches, and a height of 20 inches tall. By removing the cup, located on the bottom and top are 2 clips. So when you insert the cup back into position, those 2 clips will hold the cup. Measurements for the cup will include 3 3/4 inches for the top radius, 1.5 inches for the bottom radius. Measurement for the needle, we have 7 inches. Coming to the side will be the switch for operating this milkshake maker. And located in the back is the 110-120 voltage plug. Be sure to also check out our 2-cup milkshake blender. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.